All right, we're looking at our last example here, and finding an explicit formula. This is a great method to think about an explicit formula, is to write out the first few terms and see what's happening. So we're given that our first term is a half. So we've got a1 is a half. Following the formula, a2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 1 times 1/2 plus 1. All right, so if we simplify this, we get 2 over 3 times 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. And I said 2 over 3, but I wrote 3 over 3. And of course that simplifies to 1. All right, let's try a3. a3 is going to be 3 over 4 times 1 plus 1. So 3/4 times 2 is going to equal 3/2. So we've gone from a half to 1 to 1.5. So my guess is that our next term is going to be 2. It looks like we're adding a half each time. So a4 is going to equal to 4 over 5. 3/2 plus 1. 3/2 plus 1 is 5/2. So 4 over 5 times 5 over 2 does in fact give me 2. So it says write out the first 6 terms. I don't actually have room at the moment to write out the first 6 terms, but my guess is from the pattern that the 5th one is going to be 5 over 2, and the 6th one is going to be 3, because I'm adding a half each time. So this is an arithmetic sequence. It has the general formula, un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times d. If I simplify this, I'm going to get a half n plus a half minus a half is just a half n. And let's look at that. Half of 1 is 1/2, half of 2 is 1, half of 3 is 3/2, and so on and so forth. So that fits my pattern.